As a UK solicitor, I've seen firsthand the unique challenges small law firms face, particularly in maintaining efficiency and navigating the ever-evolving regulatory landscape. With limited resources and increasing demands from bodies like the SRA and the Law Society of England and Wales, staying organized and compliant can feel overwhelming. This complex environment demands meticulous attention to detail, and any misstep can have significant consequences for our practices. However, virtual personal assistants, or VPAs, have emerged as a truly cost-effective solution, helping small legal practices like ours streamline operations while upholding strict compliance standards. Today, I want to explore how VPAs can genuinely transform small law firms within the UK market, drawing insights from current regulatory frameworks and industry best practices. The compliance challenge for UK law firms is substantial, requiring us to navigate multiple regulatory requirements. These include the SRA standards and regulations, GDPR and Data Protection Act 2018 compliance, and crucial anti-money laundering procedures. We also contend with Legal Services Board requirements and our fundamental client care obligations. A 2024 Law Society survey revealed that a staggering 78% of small firms reported spending over 15 hours weekly on compliance-related tasks alone. This consumes valuable billable time and resources that could be better spent serving our clients. So, how do virtual personal assistants address these key challenges effectively? Firstly, they streamline client onboarding and AML compliance. VPAs can manage the entire client onboarding process, ensuring all documentation is collected in strict accordance with the Money Laundering, Terrorist Financing and Transfer of Funds Regulations 2017. As Jonathan Williams, a compliance officer at a Manchester firm, noted, their VPA handles ID verification, PEP screening, and risk assessment, meeting SRA requirements without burdening fee earners. VPAs track missing client information, organize verification documents, schedule compliance reviews, and maintain accessible electronic records for SRA inspections. Secondly, they provide effective calendar and deadline management. Missing key deadlines can lead to serious consequences, including potential negligence claims. Virtual personal assistants excel at maintaining comprehensive calendaring systems that track court dates, limitation periods, and filing deadlines. They send timely reminders for CPD requirements, schedule conflict checks, and manage time-sensitive regulatory filings. Research from the Legal Services Board shows calendar-related errors account for nearly 30% of negligence claims against small UK law firms. However, this figure decreased by 40% among firms utilizing digital calendar systems managed by dedicated administrative support. Thirdly, VPAs ensure robust file organization and data protection compliance. Under the Data Protection Act 2018 and GDPR, strict data protection practices are mandatory. Virtual personal assistants implement compliant file organization systems, manage document retention schedules, and coordinate secure file destruction. They also assist with subject access requests and maintain privacy notices and consent records. Sarah Chin, a partner at a Bristol family law practice, highlighted how their VPA transformed GDPR compliance by managing their document lifecycle. Fourthly, VPAs are invaluable for financial administration and compliance. SRA accounts rules compliance is a critical concern, and VPAs support this by maintaining organized client ledgers and preparing documentation for accountants' reports. They track disbursements, ensure proper allocation, monitor client account balances, and flag potential compliance issues. The SRA's 2024 data shows accounting rule breaches represent 22% of all enforcement actions against small firms, underscoring the need for robust financial administration. Finally, VPAs significantly enhance communication management. Effective client communication is not just good practice, it's a regulatory requirement under SRA principles. VPAs monitor and respond to routine client inquiries, track response times to ensure service standards, and maintain comprehensive communication records. They also send automated progress updates and prepare client care letters and engagement terms. When selecting a virtual personal assistant solution for your UK law firm, several factors are crucial. Firstly, seek providers with UK-specific legal knowledge, understanding SRA requirements, Law Society guidance, and UK court procedures. Secondly, data security and compliance are paramount. Ensure the service offers UK-based data storage or EU adequacy arrangements post-Brexit, ISO 27001 certification, clear data processing agreements, and secure communication protocols. Thirdly, consider integration capabilities. The most effective VPA solutions integrate seamlessly with UK-specific legal practice management systems like Clio, Leap, or Proclaim. Finally, always check for professional indemnity insurance. The financial case for virtual personal assistants for UK small law practices is truly compelling. Average hourly rates for UK-based virtual legal personal assistants range from £15 to £30, significantly less than the £22 to £40 for in-house administrative staff. Furthermore, you avoid employer national insurance contributions, pension auto-enrollment costs, sick pay, and holiday pay. This offers scalable services during busy periods without long-term commitments. Daniel Patel, managing partner of a Leeds conveyancing practice, reported a 34% reduction in administrative costs and improved compliance after switching to a VPA. The flexibility to scale services during property transaction peaks has been invaluable for his firm. For successful integration, start with a compliance audit to identify key areas where your practice struggles. Document workflows, create clear process documentation for compliance-critical tasks, and establish robust security protocols for confidential information. Set clear key performance indicators to define measurable outcomes focused on compliance improvements. Finally, review regularly, scheduling quarterly assessments aligned with your compliance calendar. Embracing virtual personal assistants can truly empower your small law firm to achieve greater efficiency and unwavering compliance in today's demanding legal landscape. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into how virtual personal assistants can benefit your UK law firm. To learn more, call 0161 507 0656.